Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. Somebody asking me recently how I go about familiarizing the city. So if you're not comfortable driving in the city, I would not suggest not to drive. But if you want to learn about the city, for me anyway, this is how I did it. I drive at 9, so after peak hour, like at about 7 p.m. at night in the city. Between 7 to about 9 o'clock in the first couple of years. Well, not in the first couple of years, in the first couple of weeks. 7 to about 9, maybe about 10 o'clock at night. Weekdays, Monday to Thursday, I would drive in the city. Because here's the thing, after 7 o'clock there will be less traffic. Number two, there won't be like there's bound to be a parking here and there. There's less monitoring. You're not going to get ranges as much. You're not going to get a lot of police as much, because everyone mostly will be going home. So if you're not comfortable driving in the city during the day, and then gradually obviously you work in the afternoon, and then after the early morning, but after, let's say, maybe a couple of months or so doing it that time frame, that's 7 to 9, you're still getting passengers, but you're only getting passengers that is going home from their work, or if not going home from their dinner. I specifically choose Monday to Thursday because I don't want to deal with the intoxicated people. So I mean, there are still a bit a risk, let's say, that you're gonna get intoxicated people, but that's just part of the your learning curve. But Monday to Thursday, it's sort of not as rowdy compared to Friday and Saturday. So that's what I would do if I were to try to familiarize myself of the city. The other one would be drive on the weekend on the city. It's a ghost town, especially first thing in the morning, like as early as possible. First thing in the morning, it's a ghost town. I mean, you're going to have people going to the airport, a lot of checkout first thing in the morning, and yeah, you get to know, again, you get to know the city, and it's not as heavy, the traffic. There won't be a lot of cars as much. There won't be a lot of trucks. Maybe there's a couple of buses here and there, but not as heavy. But yeah, that's my recommendation. Where do you stop, on the other hand, is roughly just one suburb away. Like here I am in Sydney. If I were, say, in Central, then I'll stop in Redfern, if it's in Central. So the other option would be stop in Surrey Hill. There's a lot of parking there. Let's say if it's on the other end, I would be stopping at the Rocks to find passengers. Or if not, even North Sydney. Like some days I actually drive to North Sydney because I get sick and tired of the city. It gives you a change of pace, but most of the time when you drive to North Sydney, you're gonna get passengers going back to the city. But what I like about it is the road is a lot smoother compared to if you're driving around in the city. The other one would be Darling Harbour or Piedmont. That's where I usually stop. If you're not comfortable stopping in the heart of the city, that's what I would do. So yeah, anyway, that's just my way for me to learn about this city. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Cheers, bye.